Versafoam systems are professional foam dispensing systems that should be used under proper health and safety conditions. All Versafoam systems are low-pressure products with a dispensed pressure of less than 250 pounds per square inch. Suggested personal protective equipment for Versafoam systems include chemical-resistant safety goggles, chemical-resistant protective clothing to prevent skin exposure, chemical-resistant nitrile gloves, and a respirator which is approved by the National Institute of Safety and Health. Your choice of respirator depends on the project conditions or the applicator's preference. Options include half-mask respirators, full-mask respirators, or powered air purifying respirators. Half-mask and full-mask respirators should be used with organic vapor cartridges and particulate filters, or P100 cartridges and filters. Full-mask respirators provide more protection than half-mask respirators. The face shield protects the face and eyes from irritants and contaminants. A powered air purifying respirator, when used with an organic vapor cartridge, offers breathing comfort from a battery-powered fan, which pulls air through filters and circulates air through the helmet and hood. Both half-mask and full-mask respirators require a fit test to ensure proper operation and protection. Organic vapor cartridges and particulate filters should be changed on a regular basis. Once you have chosen a respirator, it is best to have a medical evaluation by a physician or licensed healthcare professional to ensure you will be able to breathe properly while wearing a respirator. For additional information on respirators, including fit test procedures, user seal check procedures, respirator cleaning procedures, and medical evaluations, visit the OSHA website at www.osha.gov. In this segment, we will demonstrate how to fit and wear a full mask respirator. Carefully inspect your respirator before using it. If any parts are missing or damaged, replace those parts or replace the entire mask. Check the facepiece to make sure it is in good condition without any holes or tears. Check the cartridge connectors to make sure they are not cracked and are fully inserted into the mask. Check all the valves to be sure they are present and in good condition. The valves should be lying flat without any distortion, tears, or holes. Check the head straps to be sure they have not lost their elasticity. Make sure the straps are not twisted. Be sure to use fresh filters and cartridges. Cartridges and filters should not be overused and need to be replaced from time to time. To set up your respirator, snap the filter and filter cover onto the cartridge, or onto the filter holder if no cartridge is used. Thread the cartridges or filter assemblies into the cartridge connectors on the facepiece. Now that you've inspected your respirator and installed the cartridges, you are ready to put it on. Begin by adjusting the respirator head straps and clips to their full outward position. With one hand holding the respirator, place your chin inside the chin cup and the top of the respirator over your nose. With your other hand, position the plastic straps so they are centered on your head. Remove any slack in the upper straps by pulling the two end tabs back toward your ears. Do not tighten at this time. Fasten the bottom elastic straps behind your neck and under your hair. Remove any slack in the bottom straps by pulling the back end tabs toward the front. Do not tighten at this time. Tighten the upper head straps in small, equal increments to ensure the top half of the respirator is tightened evenly and centered on your face. Tighten the lower head straps by pulling evenly on the end straps in the back of the respirator until the entire respirator is snug, comfortable, and centered on your face. Gently pull the respirator away from your face and maneuver it to assure it is centered, comfortable, and snug. Once you have your respirator on, you should perform a positive and/or negative pressure user seal check to assure the respirator is seated correctly and in good working order. Before performing seal checks, exhale vigorously. Perform a positive pressure seal check by placing the palm of your hand over the exhalation valve so it is completely sealed, and exhale gently. If you have a good seal, the facepiece will bulge out slightly. Perform a negative pressure seal check by placing the palm of each hand over the two cartridges or filters so they are completely sealed, and inhale. Hold your breath for 5 seconds. If you have a good seal, the facepiece will collapse. If any air leaks are detected during either check, reposition the facepiece and/or readjust the head straps. Repeat the seal checks until a seal is obtained. Now that your respirator is in place, you are ready to begin using your VersaFoam system.